Step 10 of my step-by-step guide to building generational wealth involves what you should do once you've successfully completed the first 9 steps, and that is share your success. This step is very important because it allows you to take your goal of building generational wealth to the next level. Sharing your success can benefit you in so many ways, starting with the enhancement of your community. By imparting knowledge and motivation to those around you, you contribute to a positive environment free of financial stress. This creates a more pleasant and prosperous community for you to live in. Sharing your success also creates a compounding effect when it comes to building generational wealth. Each person you assist in their journey towards financial prosperity not only benefits you, but it also benefits them and their future generations. Imagine if that person shares their success with a few others. All of a sudden, you're causing a positive domino effect that can affect tens, hundreds, or thousands of people. That's really making a difference. This is the type of ripple effect that has the potential to significantly narrow racial and generational wealth gaps, thereby fostering greater economic equality. There are numerous ways to share your success effectively. Some of these include just being a role model, being a mentor, volunteering, donating, and advocating for causes related to financial literacy and generational wealth. By leveraging modern technology like social media, blogs, and podcasts, you can spread your message far and wide, reaching individuals across diverse communities and demographics. You can also share your success by connecting people around you to the financial professionals that helped you out along the way. One important reminder when sharing your success: do not brag, do not be arrogant, instead be empathetic. Everyone has a different path toward building generational wealth. When you are sharing with others, be sure to include stories of both your successes and your failures. By doing so, you humanize your journey and provide relatable insights for others. I try to live out these ideals in my personal life as much as I can. As a certified financial planner and wealth manager, I prioritize working with educators and nonprofits, recognizing their potential to positively influence our future generations. I also strive to provide financial education to the public for free and to be a connector of people in my everyday interactions. In conclusion, sharing your success represents the pinnacle of my step-by-step guide to building generational wealth. By embracing this final step, individuals can transcend beyond just their personal achievement and leave a lasting legacy of empowerment and prosperity for their communities and beyond. My aim as I continue to create this step-by-step guide is to guide someone starting from zero toward the path of generational wealth. I'll be releasing a blog post on our website for all the different chapters, and I've released a YouTube video for each chapter as well. Eventually, I'll publish this guide into a book. This was a breakdown of my 10th and final chapter. If you haven't already, go back and watch my previous steps. Reach out to me to provide feedback. I now plan to enter into the phase of turning this guide into a published book, so wish me luck.